Would you rather have 10 people that clap for you or one person who truly understands you? Or would you rather have 100 fast conversations or just one that really shifts something in your soul? We live in a world that celebrates more. More followers, more likes, doing more, buying more, being more. But more doesn't always mean better. Sometimes it means louder and emptier. We've been taught to chase quantity. More clothes, more people, more stuff. But at some point you start realizing that none of it really hits if it's not quality. The thing is, you can have a closet full of clothes and still feel like you have nothing to wear because nothing fits you. It doesn't feel like you, or it's not of high quality. You can have 5,000 people watching your story and still feel invisible. Quality just hits different, whether it's a quality conversation, a quality meal, or a quality piece of clothes. When I was growing up, I felt weird for not having a lot of friends, until at one point I realized I'd rather have one true friend I can count on and trust than having 50 so-called friends where I can't be myself around. I'd rather own 2 things I love than 50 things that don't really matter. When you start choosing quality, you start living more intentional. And yes, life might become quieter, but trust me, it will be better. Because it means you have less distraction, less drama, especially from other people. It takes a while to unlearn the more is better mindset, but it changes as you grow older. You start realizing that material things don't really matter. Having a Gucci purse might be a flex for a couple of days, but after a while you start realizing you just wasted your money. Oftentimes we buy things that are perceived as luxurious goods just to impress other people. The thing is, we try to impress people who don't even care about us. Lately, hearing around me people dying all of a sudden, you start realizing that, the only thing that really matters is time and the quality of life you have on this planet. And then again, we come back to quality. I think our purpose on this planet is to live our life as best as possible. And if you can, leave a legacy behind. Not to be remembered, but to improve the quality of the situation on this planet. It's cool if you walk around with Prada and Gucci and different other types of brands. But what really matters is what you can do for this planet, for the people on this planet. Peace doesn't come from having everything. It comes from having the right things, such as loving people around you who want to see you be better, maybe a loving spouse or girlfriend or boyfriend who really cares for you and wants you to improve. Don't forget health. That's why they say health is wealth. You can have all the money in the world, but if your health is gone, you have nothing. Sometimes it's about looking at the small stuff in life. You have a roof over your head, you have dinner in your fridge, you have water running out of your faucet, stuff like that. Those are the things that actually really matter. I'm not saying to not treat yourself here and there with quality stuff. That's not what I'm saying. But we need to start focusing on the things that actually matter. So wherever you are in your life right now, ask yourself this important question. Am I collecting things or curating them? Am I choosing more stuff or am I choosing better? We don't need a lot on this planet, All we need is the right things. The things that actually add value and not noise. Sometimes less is more. And we need to remember that. Anyway, that's a short video for today. I have a question though before I end this video, and that is, what's one area of your life that you've been choosing quantity, but where you feel deep down in your soul that you should be focusing on quality? Leave your answer in the comment section and let's talk about it. If you made it this far, thank you for your time. And as usual, I will see you in the next one. Bye.